All right. How are you doing? Good morning to you. Good morning, good morning, good morning. This is going to be a quick one. It's going to be a quick one because this is morning and I want to give you this update that today, this update this morning, because today is Monday, the 9th day of February 2026, and we are here to give you the update the way it is without adding or subtracting. So we are going to center this particular report on from the table of DPM COS Dr. Abeze and United States of Biafra government. They have made this publication, bringing it to you so that you will pass it across your family, your relatives, and your anybody that is your that at your reach. Give them this message because so that they're not gonna you know miss out. What is the news? What is the update? Yesterday, it was all over internet, and Jamaica came up with a story that Master can reach out to him or to them, saying that there's no sit at home is hereby seized. So of course, Nigerian media are sharing that like never before. People are mocking Biafras in general. Honestly, I am tired of hearing or reading what people are saying. It is shocking and embarrassing. The insult will be here. I'm just being real. If I begin to bring it here, some people will say that you're trying to make make up and Biafran, commanders. I don't know what to call them now, to be honest with you. Sometimes I wanted to say Biafran Liberation Army, but second hand, in entire that video, they did not mention it, and it was just, according to them, they said that they are going to carry out the instruction from Master Kano as they instructed them, maybe right before PM actually come for their rescue. You know what happened then. I'm not going to go there. And so, what happened is this: my own is to tell you what is the public. Your choice, your decision is yours. I can't force you. I can't dictate for you. I can just read out what is out there for you to now make a better decision. But you are entirely all any action you take is your business. I did not push you to do anything to get involved or not to get involved. My own is to report what's on social media to bring it to you so you cannot see it. Now I'm now reporting this one from the office of United States of Biafra government. We're gonna concentrate on this table of DPM Dr. Abeza. All right. If the moment Jamaica and their group surfaced and begin to talk about what Mason Kanu told them, which of course Biafra have asked questions yet to answer because nobody have answered that question. How did you get this message from PM, from Mason Kanu PM? They did not even mention PM. They will get PM to Brazil. But like I said, I am not here to repeat or to start rewinding. But whatever you want to whatever you know about it or you feel about it, keep it to yourself. Unless if you want to chip in something, no problem. Our comment section is open. You can just bring it on. Now let me remind that's a comment that I got yesterday, very very lengthy one, and I asked the person to reach out to me on through my WhatsApp. If you are the one, I'm still waiting to hear from you because your message is somehow mixed up. I think you have something to say, but you don't know how to put it. So you can as well reach out to me. My number is always in the public. If you don't know, ask me in the comment. I will drop it for you again. But I've sent it to you yesterday. Now let's not waste time on this particular video. This video is to remind everybody that today, being 9th of February 2026, the sit at home is on. United States of Biafra have made it clear that they don't force anybody, but voluntarily you are being encouraged to sit at home. Reason is beyond what people are telling you out there. Those those that are fighting against it, they knew what it means. They know what that stands for. They know what it means in the international community. That's why they're fighting to that nail to get you stop it. Just like when you are being trapped and somebody is here to rescue you, another person who trapped you is encouraging you not to welcome those who are going to come for your rescue. That is exactly what politicians are doing to you by devising you. That sit home is actually destroying the economy that since you were born have not even benefited. What do you have that you can be proud of your state and say, look, my state, if not for my state, so things would have happened to me. Mention one thing: hospital, good road, constant power supply. Mention it. Is it school? It's school. Is it school? Tell me, what is that thing that the economy of the state has been given to you that you are sit at home is actually going to affect? I don't please use your brain for crying out loud. Few politicians cannot, sit on your brain and be president year to year, year in, year out, and you just sit down, they look like Obono. Some people that are kicking against it at home are doing that based on their own personal interests. Whether you like it or not, that's what it is. Now, Master Mekano is saying that he don't want people to sit at home and all that. Like I said, is yet to be verified. Even if you verify that, what about other options that make you to sit at home? What about that? Now, after you quit sit at home, can you please peacefully let us know what else do you have to rescue Master Mekano? What again do you have to register your grievances? Are you trying to tell us? Are you trying to tell us that Master Mekano is so happy, so comfortably? He feels so comfortable in the Sokoto prison. He feels so relaxed and so happy. Like, is that how Sokoto prison, how beautiful it is? Or I don't understand. Please, all these things going on now, I just want to. I'm struggling to get, to find any reason why you guys are doing what you are doing. So, United States of Biafra government, like I've said, have taken it upon themselves to encourage you, to advise you, to support you, to tell you the reason why you should please do the needful and avoid all this shenanigan, all these cooked up stories to discourage you from not sitting at home and all that. There's no, that is a way of to destroy you, because you may think that you are doing something good without knowing that you are actually hurting yourself. So I'm going to quickly go through the statement, the write-up from the office of DPM Dr. Abeze. Then after that, we may have something to say. All right, let's go there. All right, so what you are seeing now, what you have here is the press release from the office of DPM, like I told you, and we are going to go through it. So please give me your ear. We have to do it together now. Press statements issued on 8 February 2026. Okay. Clarification on the voluntarist Monday sit at home. The attention of the government of the United States of Biafra has been drawn to reports, okay, circulated by media outlets of Nigerian regime, claiming that the indigenous people of Biafra IPOB has called off the voluntary Monday sit at home peacefully observed by citizens of the United States of Biafra for several years. These reports are further accompanied by a video allegedly showing armed men declaring that the sit at home will no longer be enforced. We recognize this narrative for what they are. Okay, family divide and conquer tactics. Exactly. We recognize these narratives for what they are: family divide and conquer tactics of the Nigerian regime, aided by its proxies and useful collaborators within the default IPOB organizational structure. Their fingerprints are unmistakable. We therefore use this opportunity to clearly assure Biafrans and the international community of the following. The Monday sit at home has never been enforced by any individual or organization. It is and has always remained a voluntary civil action by the people. The sit at home is peaceful, civil demonstration and is a form of self-referendum, which I told us in our live broadcast, through which Biafrans collectively express to the, through which Biafrans collectively express to the world that the United States of Biafra is not a part of Nigeria, and that Nigeria and its new colonial agent possess no legitimacy in the faulty state of Biafra. You know, I wonder why some people will just come up recording themselves and say, make this kind of statement as if they have not been following PM. You know, when I talk about people, insubordination, some of you don't understand. It's beyond, verbal word that like, okay, my brother, do this. He said, no, it's beyond that. Some of this subordination goes beyond that. Some are even showcasing their insubordination silently. And that one is more detrimental because you may not even know. Facial appearances, body language, everything is included. When somebody talks to you, the way you react, the way you move your body also is part of it. Insubordination, negligence. You don't care. You feel reluctant about what you're supposed to do in name of how dare you to talk to me that way. Anyway, let's continue. This peaceful method of protest is born out of historical necessity when Biafrans have taken to the streets to peacefully express their grievances. They have often been met with brutal and deadly force by the Nigerian regime. They just say they buy people. They massacre people once we protest. Haven't we? The guy watch Lekki. It's not only Biafra. Lekki toll gate protest, like what they call it, ESIs. People holding Nigerian flag. In this case, Nigerian flag, not even Biafra flag. They use Nigerian flag to clean the blood of innocent, indigenous of Nigerian state. Let alone Biafra. So imagine that. And guess what? Most of them that got involved in that NSAS protest used to laugh Biafrans when they met this brutal force that DPM talked about here. They used to laugh at Biafrans without knowing that the day will come when they also want to protest in Nigerian for betterment of Nigeria, and they will meet the same force. And that's what happened. And that having, triggered a lot of fear in the minds of everybody in Nigeria. To protest now is just like going to war in Nigeria. Very funny. Okay, sitting at home peacefully, therefore, remain the safest, lawful, and most efficient and most effective form of protest available to our people, without causing any problem. The sit at home also represent the collective demand of Biafran and approved by Biafrans for justice, including the immediate and unconditional release of all the 10 Biafran leaders, especially His Excellency Mas Nnamdi Kanu, His Excellency Simon Ekpa, and other innocent Biafrans illegally held in Nigeria and Finland, and for complete and for the complete end of Nigerian unlawfully occupation of the 40 states of Biafra. We retreat unequivocably. No one have never enforced any sit at home. Okay? No one have ever enforced any sit at home. You know why it's good to make this one more abundantly clear to listeners and those who care to know? Is because listening to that video, you can sense that they are demeaning. Do you understand what nobody actually, like me, I never for once believed that somebody is forced it. Genuinely, I'm telling you. I believe that it could be this is a propaganda. And that is what CS are saying here, that truly nobody forced it, unless anybody that claims they do force it. That's those we are talking about doing it illegally just to blackmail PM, because the target is always on PM, not on anybody. PM is the target, and anybody accepting it now is just like you are handing so-called evidence that never exists to make sure that you eliminate PM, which can never happen because God in heaven is not going to allow it to happen. So we reiterate unequivocally, no one has ever enforced any stay at home. Biafran cannot be compelled to stay at home, nor can they be compelled to go out on Mondays. Okay? Participation is entirely voluntarily. In that spirit, we encourage the good people of Biafra to continue their peaceful and lawful Mondays at home civil demonstration. The persistence, compliance, and agitation by Nigerian regime and its neo-colonial agents in Biafra only confirm the effectiveness of this peaceful resistance. As Mas Namodukan rightly stated, when Nigerian regime cries about our actions, it is evidence that those actions are working and must be intensified through lawfully and peaceful means. The government of the United States of Biafra remain committed to build peaceful and stable nation, strengthening our institutions and contributing the peace and stability in Africa and the wider world. Our government and leadership will never issue directives through armaments, regardless of the names they claim or the interest, or the name they claim or the interest they purport to represent. We also use this opportunity to inform the international community that narratives promoted by certain individuals and other agents of Nigerian regime which portray the dissolution of Nigerian as a misrepresentation, okay, which portray the dissolution of Nigeria as a misrepresentation of reality, are themselves deeply misleading. Such narratives serve to obscure the truth, and enable the continued ethnic cleansing and genocide against Christians by Nigerian regime to be carried out with impunity. As history has shown, most notably in this case of Yugoslavia, the recognition of Biafra alongside other nations that chose to pursue self-determination and independence remain the only viable path to lasting peace, justice, and stability in that part of the world. Thank you for your attention to this matter. Dr. Ngozi Orabeze, Deputy Prime Minister, United States of Biafra, and Akubakeba. I love everything she said here. Okay, and that's why I encourage you to give us your ear so you can at least don't take my word. You heard it from this is what DPM said. And another update from Biafran government says this person made post. This is the one I received earlier before the DPM made before her statement. The Monday voluntary sit at home remain active in the 40 states of the United States of Biafra, 100% United States of Biafra, one people under God, under one God. You know, I love that. I love that slogan. So the flyers is here, reminding you that you have to. You know, I told you about the reasons why sit at home is on. Reasons: the voluntary sit at home will continue in the whole 40 states of Biafra. One, Nigerian military and police leave the United States of Biafra nation. Okay, Oyedulmas Namodukan is released. That's number two. Number two, PM is released. That's number three option. 4, USB is fully protected by the United States of Biafra government. Number 5, Biafrans in diaspora safely return to their motherland. So that is, like I told you, the only way to show these grievances. So the only option you have is what your brothers and sisters are actually helping and trying to push away. What do you think about it? Am I dreaming? Am I the only one seeing this? Let me know what your take on that. God bless you. Please make sure you like the video and subscribe to the channel. I would like to hear from you to know your take on this. Good morning to you and take care of yourself.